Welcome to our lecture on the evolution and future of training and development, exploring how training adapts to organizational needs. This session examines the shift from traditional to modern learning models, the role of learning professionals, and the multi-level systems model of learning. We'll discuss performance consulting and strategies for effective training programs. For example, modern training might use social media for collaboration. As we proceed, reflect on how training evolves in your field. Take notes and ask questions as we explore the future of training and development. Today's learning outcomes guide our exploration of training and development's evolution. We'll understand how training has shifted, explore the multi-level systems model of learning, define the role of performance consultants, and identify strategies for effective training programs. For instance, a modern training program might integrate e-learning for flexibility. As we discuss these outcomes, consider their relevance to your industry. This lecture equips you to adapt training to future needs in fields like technology or education, ensuring organizational success. Training and development have evolved from traditional classroom methods to modern, collaborative approaches, including informal learning like meetings or social media. This shift responds to organizational needs for flexibility and engagement. For example, a company might use online platforms for ongoing training. As we explore this, think about how training has changed in your field. In industries like retail or healthcare, evolving training ensures relevance, enhancing skills and aligning with organizational goals. The Learning 2.0 model shifts from organization-driven to learner-initiated, collaborative learning. It includes formal methods, mentoring, apprenticeships, and informal learning, meetings, social media. For example, employees might collaborate via online forums. As we discuss this, consider how learner-driven approaches apply in your industry. In fields like technology or education, Learning 2.0 enhances engagement, ensuring training is flexible and meets diverse learning needs effectively. The multi-level systems model of organizational learning recognizes learning at 3 levels: organization, strategic, group, team collaboration, and individual, personal skills. These levels interconnect to drive performance. For example, a company's learning culture supports team and individual growth. As we explore this, think about learning levels in your field. In industries like healthcare or manufacturing, this model ensures training aligns with organizational, team, and personal goals, enhancing overall performance. Organizational learning involves strategic, systemic learning to support continuous improvement and align with goals. For example, a company adopting new technology trains all levels to adapt. As we discuss this, consider how organizational learning impacts your industry. In fields like technology or education, fostering a learning culture ensures adaptability, driving performance and innovation through aligned training strategies. Group-level learning focuses on team-based skill development, fostering collaboration and communication. For example, a team training on project management improves coordination. As we explore this, think about team learning in your field. In industries like management or healthcare, group-level training enhances team performance, ensuring effective collaboration and alignment with organizational objectives through targeted skill development. Individual-level learning focuses on personal skill and knowledge growth, supporting career development and organizational goals. For example, an employee learning new software enhances productivity. As we discuss this, consider how individual learning impacts your industry. In fields like IT or retail, personalized training ensures employees develop skills that contribute to organizational success, fostering growth and performance. Learning professionals are shifting from traditional trainers to performance consultants, addressing performance gaps and preparing for future skill needs. For example, they might design training for emerging technologies. As we explore this, think about the role of trainers in your field. In industries like technology or healthcare, consultants ensure training is proactive, aligning with organizational needs and future challenges for maximum impact. Performance consultants identify and solve performance issues, proactively addressing learning needs with tailored solutions. For example, a consultant might develop a training program for leadership gaps. As we discuss this, consider how consultants could enhance training in your industry. In fields like business or education, This role ensures training addresses specific performance challenges, driving organizational effectiveness through targeted interventions. The HR system integrates learning with performance management, supporting improvement and aligning with strategic goals. For example, HR might align training with career development plans. As we explore this, think about HR's role in training in your field. In industries like retail or healthcare, integrating learning with HR ensures training supports organizational objectives, enhancing performance and strategic alignment. Effective training programs align with organizational needs, engage diverse learners, and use varied delivery methods like e-learning or simulations. For example, a safety training might blend videos and hands-on practice. As we discuss this, consider what makes training effective in your industry. In fields like manufacturing or education, tailored programs ensure engagement and relevance, driving skill application and organizational success. Common training types include customer service, safety, ethics, diversity, technical, and team training, addressing specific organizational needs. For example, diversity training fosters inclusion. As we explore this, think about prevalent training types in your field. In industries like retail or healthcare, these programs ensure employees meet specific performance and compliance requirements, enhancing organizational effectiveness. A strong learning environment supports continuous learning, encourages collaboration, and drives skill application. For example, a tech firm's learning culture promotes ongoing skill development. As we discuss this, consider your industry's learning environment. In fields like technology or education, a supportive environment ensures training translates into performance, fostering innovation and alignment with organizational goals. Social constructivism emphasizes learning through collaboration and social interactions, enhancing knowledge sharing. For example, team discussions in training build shared understanding. As we explore this, think about collaborative learning in your field. In industries like management or healthcare, this approach ensures trainees learn from each other, improving skills and fostering a collaborative culture that drives performance. A learning organization promotes continuous learning, adapts to change, and drives innovation. For example, a company embracing new technology fosters a learning culture. As we discuss this, think about learning organizations in your industry. In fields like technology or retail, this approach ensures adaptability and innovation, aligning training with evolving organizational needs and enhancing performance. The future of training leverages technology and social media, focuses on learner-driven approaches, and addresses emerging needs. For example, e-learning platforms enable flexible training. As we explore this, consider how training might evolve in your field. In industries like IT or education, future-focused training ensures relevance, engaging learners and preparing organizations for new challenges. Competency models, like those from Ph.D., define skills for learning professionals, emphasizing performance consulting. They guide training development by outlining required competencies. For example, a model might highlight strategic planning skills. As we discuss this, think about competencies in your industry's training. In fields like business or healthcare, these models ensure trainers are equipped to design impactful programs, aligning with organizational needs. Making training effective involves aligning with performance goals, using diverse methods like simulations, and evaluating outcomes. For example, a customer service training with role plays improves engagement. As we explore this, think about what makes training effective in your field. In industries like retail or technology, effective training ensures skills are applied, driving performance and achieving organizational objectives. In summary, training and development evolve with organizational needs, using multi-level learning to drive performance. Performance consultants address gaps, while future training leverages collaboration and technology. For example, a tech firm's e-learning ensures adaptability. As we conclude, reflect on how these concepts apply in your field. This lecture provides a framework for designing future-ready training in industries like education or healthcare, ensuring lasting impact. Thank you for your attention.